Welcome everyone. My name is Kim Larson. I'm a client success manager here at Luminoso, and today I'm joined by Laila, who's going to show us how to run one of our simple scripts on how to know when are you done with the analysis. We do that with the outliers script, which answers, did I miss anything? If you start with a concept list and you want to take an inventory on all the flavors or the flavor categories, you have a list started, you're feeling pretty confident about it, but you want to be 100% certain that you've covered all the feedback you've received with the list that you've created. This list lets you do that. So as an example, we start in daylight, we start in the UI, and we explore the theme. So we want to take an inventory of what the different beer flavors are. So we go into the flavor cluster and we develop these two concepts. We figure it distills down into rich flavors, caramel, chocolate, vanilla, etc., the things associated with stouts, and fruity. We see citrus, we see lemon, and we've created these two concepts, but we want to know, did we miss anything? Are those really the two basic flavors of beer? So we go over to the scripts, and Laila can explain what the script does.
Yeah, so first we'll open up our terminal, and to use this script, all you need is your project URL as listed in the help information. And then the script will take your project, take each concept list you have, and then create a new concept list with the top 10 outliers from it to get a more comprehensive coverage amount.
Yeah, it's really helpful. So you don't need to select your concept list, and that will produce something in the UI that we can grab. That will look something like this. So it doesn't override your existing concept list. It gives you a supplementary one to work with to decide whether or not you like it or need it. So here we can see the list of existing concept lists with the supplementary ones that right after it. And we can see the terms that were unique to the documents that weren't covered by these two flavors. So if they didn't mention chocolate flavors, if they didn't mention citrus flavors, the terms that were unique to that included skunkiness. The people who described the beer as skunky didn't mention chocolate flavors or citrus flavors. And that gives us a new theme that we can start categorizing and identifying what this other section is. And that's it. Now we are certain about the flavors of beer. And thank you, Laila, so much for working on this group with our solutions team. If you're a viewer and you have a need with your Daylight project, shoot us an email, let us know. Like, subscribe, share the video, etc. We're happy to help and appreciate your time. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.